Today my boy Pedro will be flying towards those cup noodles. They're empty, by the way. Alright, let's see how this bird will fly onto it. Alright, ready? Ready? Alright. Today my boy Pedro will be doing attempt 2 of hitting those cup noodles. Are you ready? You ready, pal? Okay, he says yes. Let's see if we can hit all of them out. This is attempt 3 of Pedro, my boy over here, knocking all of those cups off the table. Well, try to. Say, Pedro, are you excited? Hell yeah, he is. Let's see if this bird will be able to hit all those cups successfully. 3, 2, 1. He did it! Pedro, what is your opinion about Joe Biden? You can't say that. Man, shut the f*** up. Pedro, I know you have the most extreme political views, but what is your opinion about Barack Obama? I told you cannot say that, man. Alright, you better shut your mouth. Alright, Pedro. This is your one last shot in making these rice. This is your one last shot on getting your redemption arc, alright? You better not say anything offensive once I ask you this question. Got it? He's not answering. Alright. What's your opinion about San Francisco, California? God damn it, you never learn your lesson, man!